Russian Defense Minister Andrei Belosov and his U.S. counterpart Lloyd Austin have spoke by phone on Tuesday to discuss the conflict in Ukraine's Moscow Defense Ministry said. The Defense Ministry of the Moscow said that, and a Russian Defense Ministry said in a statement that Belosov and Austin has exchanged views on the situation around Ukraine, noting the conversation took place at the initiative of American side. Pentagon spokesperson Major General Pat Ryder also reported the phone call took place, saying that in a statement that Austin had emphasized the importance of maintaining lines of communication amid Russia's ongoing war against Ukraine. However, Russia has slammed the United States on its ongoing military support for Ukraine, and Washington recently gave Kyiv the green light to use long range of U.S. weapons on parts of Russia near the beleaguered city of Kharkiv.
নগদের কাছে সব গ্রাহকই প্রিয়, তাই তো সারা দেশে ক্যাশ আউট চার্জ সবচেয়ে কম।